Ever wondered if cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Or if it's secretly wrecking your joints? Let's bust this myth once and for all. When you crack your knuckles, you're not actually breaking anything. That popping sound, it's just gas bubbles collapsing in the fluid between your joints. Studies show that knuckle cracking doesn't cause arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on just one hand for 60 years. No difference. So, is it safe? Yep. But if it hurts, stop. Now, do you crack your knuckles? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick science facts.